Good evening, everyone. This is Anthony, Wall Street Trade. It's 5:24 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. It's Tuesday, October 19th, 2021. This isn't financial advice. It's educational. Click the subscribe and the bell to be notified when these videos come out. Click the thumbs up and share the video if you likey with your friends and families and colleagues. Intraday updates are on that Twitter link below. We're talking about the Quant network right now. Let's go take a look. Okay, so today, a little under pressure given what's been going on over the very, very recent price action with Bitcoin. Obviously, pretty large uptick in Bitcoin is creating a Bitcoin dominance uptick equally. In fact, we're at 47.55 on that Bitcoin dominance pair. Now, let's go take a little bit more of, like, we've now officially broken all three of these intersecting lines. We were in the sweet spot. I think we still have a floor of support at 264. This was the floor of support that we've had out there for a while. It might actually be a little higher. If you yank the wicks out, it's probably more closer to 270. But I'm not worried about that because it's 10 or 15 points below from where we're at. It's not a huge deal, especially if you're a long-term investor with the Quant. We all know where it's going. So this back and forth for little pennies and dimes, getting worried about that isn't worth your time. Honestly, I think overall we have a formidable line of support down here at the end of the day. A little bit of stress on the altcoin market, clearly driven by Bitcoin. Let's go into the Quant to Bitcoin pair because this is what really drove Quant down today. Obviously, Bitcoin's up and Quant to Bitcoin's down. So when you multiply those two, that equals the Quant US dollar. So clearly, the thing that is driving Quant US dollar down is the Quant Bitcoin pair, not Bitcoin itself. So it's important you understand that. It's like, you have to kind of look at all the inputs into the Quant US dollar and figure out which is the one bringing it down. Bitcoin's been nothing but up today. In fact, 64,200 or 300 certainly pulled this thing down. That being said, we do have another area of support just slightly below, right around here, around the 436 range or 440. Don't think we're going to get too much further down here. I think now that that Bitcoin ETF has been pushed out, I think, this is my view and only a view, and I don't have a crystal ball on my desk. Wish I did, but I don't. But I think that what we're going to see is Bitcoin kind of level off. I think the first day was out, everyone's happy. Nothing happened similar to what happened in 2017, so everyone's okay. Hunky-dory. So more to come on that. Now, let me just get my mouse to work. Here we go. Excuse me. It's one of those wireless ones. It takes a little while sometimes. Anyway, so Bitcoin, obviously, we cracked straight up over that line. This is the green line that goes to 80,000. I still think we're going to hit it. I think we're going to hit it cleanly right into the 80,000 heart. Let's move into Bitcoin dominance. Like I said, we kind of hit the gas pedal on this thing. Very, very bullish on Bitcoin dominance yesterday, and we kind of definitely hit that. Little surprised that Bitcoin US dollar, was hoping it would hold its own. Look, we're only a few dollars off from the support level that we were talking about, so not very, very worried about this. I would like to see if it does come down to 265. I'll definitely be buying more, and that's just me. So that's pretty much all I've got. But right now, looking slightly bearish on Quant US dollar. Right now, we could have a little bit of a bounce, like right at this horizontal at around 431 or so. I'm going to monitor this and keep your eye out on Twitter. Take it easy.